We'll guide you through how to make a window frame in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender and start a new project. Delete the default cube by selecting it and pressing X, then confirm the deletion. Press Shift+A, go to Mesh, and choose Cube to add a new object. Scale the cube by pressing S, then adjust it to match the outer size of your window frame. Press Tab to enter Edit Mode so you can modify the geometry. Switch to Face, select Mode by pressing 3 on your keyboard. Select the front face of the cube, which will become the window opening. Press I to inset the face, creating a smaller face inside the original. Adjust the inset to define the thickness of the window frame. With the inner face still selected, press X and choose Faces to delete it, creating a hole. Select all faces by pressing A, then press E to extrude slightly inward or outward to give the frame depth. Switch to Edge Select Mode by pressing 2 and select the inner edges of the frame. Press Ctrl B to bevel the edges, adding smoothness and realism to the frame corners. Use the mouse wheel to increase the bevel segments for a smoother curve. Return to Object Mode by pressing Tab, then right-click the object and select Shade Auto Smooth for better shading. Add a Solidify Modifier if you want more thickness control for the frame. Apply a material by going to the Material Properties tab and choosing a color or texture like wood or metal. Adjust the lighting and camera to preview how the window frame looks in your scene. Finally, save your project by pressing Ctrl S and naming your file. Make sure to review the proportions of the frame and adjust scaling if necessary so it fits well with other objects in your scene. You can also tweak the extrusion depth to create either a thin decorative frame or a thicker structural look depending on your design needs. If the bevel appears too sharp or too soft, return to Edit Mode and adjust the bevel amount until it looks natural. Consider experimenting with different materials such as painted wood, polished metal, or plastic to match the style of your scene. Once everything looks correct, do a final render preview to check lighting and shadows.